Today CIC board made it clear कि how and in what manner the semester 1 exam is going to be conducted. So hello and Jai Hind student, welcome once again to your own channel Sir Tarun Rupani. Ji, let me show you the instructions that are given to the students today by the CISC. So here we are with the instructions. Ji, the CIC has issued instructions to the students of class 10th for semester 1 exams. Let us see these instructions in detail. So there will be 2 exams, as we know. It is common instruction in the entire year, and students have to compulsorily attend both the exams. So the first exam that is going to be held during November, December. Second will be scheduled for March or April. So it is now mandatory for the student, yes, it is compulsory for the students to appear for both the exams to qualify. Yes, if you are thinking of dropping or being absent in the term 1, make sure you don't do that. So the students have to appear both exams and same subjects for the semester 1 and semester 2 exams they have to appear. The exam hall where the exam is going to be conducted, the students have to reach 5 minutes before. Yes, 5 minutes before, and 10 minutes reading time is allotted to them. Anyway, if the students delay for some genuine reason, 30 minutes, that is half an hour, is exceptionally allowed, yes, and not beyond that. So maintain punctuality, and all answers you have to answer in question paper come answer booklet. So be sure that this time you are not going to get the MCQ in OMR sheet. So answer script will be submitted along with the question paper. Got it? आपको OMR sheet नहीं जमा करनी है, क्वेश्चन पेपर घर आप नहीं ला पाएंगे. हाँ, do not write anything anywhere on the question paper. At the top of the question paper you have to write the unique ID and the index number, and you will be given admit cards by your school principal. And we have to make sure, students have to make sure that they read the question carefully, because reading the question will give them the idea how they have to and how many answers they have to answer, how many answers they have to give. So it is now very clear. The question will be MCQ, this is clear. Question will be in such a format that the students have to read each and every question clearly. Chaliye, some more information that is regarding this. So the students will be provided the result in the form of a computerized sheet. Yes, this will be not be issued by the council. This computerized or computer generated mark sheet will be issued, and it will be not be issued by the council. There will be no pass. Yes, there will be no pass or fail during the semester 1. The pass certificate will be awarded and not awarded only after the completion of semester 2 exams. New format of question paper and answer booklet is given here. Yes, it will be an MCQ paper that is cleared, and it will be provided in question paper come answer booklet, and this both has to be submitted to the invigilator. Without submitting, the students will not be allowed to go out. Yes, out of the exam hall. All rough work has to be done in the question paper at the rough pages given. No, scribbling or writing in the answer sheet is allowed anywhere. An example of the extract of the question is given. Yes, like what is the capital of India, and 4 options is given, and the answer has to be written like this. Option is answer C, New Delhi. Got it? There are certain more instructions, and I will share this instructions to you in the description. So link is there. Yes, and there are some other rules for unfair means, those who are there, students who may bring answer scripts or may attempt some other means, but this is really unsafe. Please do not do these things. So better be safe rather than cry over the spilt milk. There are certain other instructions like COVID protocols students have to follow. So thank you, and yes, prepare well for your semester 1 exams.